making a popsicle stick harmonica. This is a really simple activity, but I think it's really cool because it actually makes noise when you blow into it. I really hope that you guys enjoy, and let's get started. So we will be needing 2 popsicle sticks, 2 rubber bands, paper, scissors, and a toothpick. So we're going to start by taking our toothpick and cutting 2 pieces the exact same width of our popsicle sticks. You can mark and then cut, or just eye it, and your toothpick doesn't have to be the exact size of the width of your popsicle stick, but try to get it around the same size. Next, we're going to take our paper and cut out a piece the exact length and width of our popsicle stick, and then trim it down a little because we don't want any of the paper sticking out. So we're going to sandwich our paper strip between the 2 popsicle sticks, take a rubber band and wrap it around one end to secure it, and then we're going to slide our toothpick inside the 2 popsicle sticks to meet with the rubber band that we secured at the end, and then slide another toothpick and sandwich it between the 2 popsicle sticks on the other end that doesn't have the rubber band, and then secure it with the rubber band. And we are done. So you can blow into either end of the popsicle sticks that's open, and it should sound kind of like a kazoo. So as to why this works is because sound is energy produced by vibration, and when you blow into your harmonica, it causes the paper and rubber bands to vibrate from the force of our breath, which causes the sound that we hear. So members, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this little simple activity. You guys can definitely play with the sound by moving the toothpicks around or the paper. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this and that you guys join us for the next activity. Bye!